Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Zebra Report. Today I want to talk about the importance of learning new strategies when a market changes. And I know that all of us over the years have been to many different workshops and seminars and classes. And the one thing I can tell you is that every time I do any workshop, any class, I always learn something. And I think when the student is ready, the teacher appears. And I know that right now in our market, there are so many changes, subtle changes, dramatic changes, area market changes. And I think knowing those things, and more important, knowing the strategy to work and be successful in any market. It's not about how successful a market is. It's about how successful your ability is to be able to make that market work for you. And I actually see so many exciting opportunities. And education is something I've always been passionate about. Being a real estate instructor, of course, that is something that is near and dear to my heart. And this year I decided to put together my 2-day safari workshops. I've got one coming up October the 24th and 25th. I've got another one that's coming up December 5th and 6th. And when I put that together, I really wanted to be able to do something that would really give an agent a very customized plan for them, the ability to really look at where they are in their business, where the market is, and being able to bring those elements together and just really have their most successful years ever in real estate. In order to have that, you've got to be that student that's willing to open yourself up to hearing some new things, hearing some tried and true things, and also, most importantly, being able to really just make yourself a priority and take the time to do it. So I highly encourage you guys, please, if you can make it to my upcoming safaris, I would love it. Stop wasting time and money and start making money by stopping the excuses. So I would love to see you guys come to the workshop. But most importantly, this is a great market. The market has had a little bit of a shift, but it's taking a breather, and we needed a breather because we were really moving along too fast. So I hope to see you there, and check out the link below. Take care, guys. Bye.